The zero suicide ambition is not about judging the act of suicide or somebody's right to choice or self-determination. It's also not about judging the people who are around that person in terms of their family and friends or even services. What it is a well-being ambition, so that people don't get to the stage where they consider suicide, and if they do, then there's always better options available to them.
So all suicides are preventable. I've had personal experience of friends dying by suicide and seen the devastating effects ongoing for their friends and family. So it's so important for us to try to drive down suicide rates and aim for ultimately zero.
We have a duty to get the awareness out there that can help people feel comfortable in their own skin. We can develop societies which have a whichever way life throws us, we will stand type attitude. And the side effects to this is people far more likely to fulfill their potential and contribute hugely into society. It's a win-win. Why would we settle for any less?
And also, it's not about all the people who we're going to save in the future. I feel it's for the people that we've lost already. I feel it's for the people that we've let down, that we've not really cared for, we've not supported, and for them and their families. I feel like we owe it to them to do something about suicide on the Isle of Man. I feel it's so important to remember the lost ones too.
Zero suicide, I think what we're trying to say with that ambition is that every suicide is a tragedy. Every suicide, not only obviously there's the loss of life of the individual, but the devastation that causes to their friends, family and the community. So any ambition that's less than zero suicide is just not going to be tolerable. We have to aim for zero.
Zero suicide ambition is a long-term goal. For example, if we're trying to increase resilience in young people, then that's not going to affect the rate of suicide in middle-aged demographic until sort of 20 or 30 years' time. And in the meantime, there may be further deaths by suicide. But that doesn't mean that the ambition is wrong or that we've failed in some way in implementing the strategy. But what it does provide is an opportunity to learn how to do things better and to prevent further deaths.